Hey everybody, welcome to another exciting edition of Stock Lock Sunday here. We're going to actually, I don't want to lie to you, not exciting, just another edition. We're going to try to pick this H10 American lock, even though the package has H11. Before we get to that though, this bike lock from last week, after spending way too much time and key blanks and whatnot, I finally did get this thing in impression. And if you look at cut number 2 there, it's a 0 cut, so that was the problem. I was, cut that past 0 and the rest of the blank shot. So finally ended up cheating with the Blitz machine and finally getting this guy done. So I have a nice working key now. And I've never been so happy to see a master lock turn in my friggin' life. And I brought that back to the shop where I got it from, where the guy couldn't impression it. And he let me keep that lock and gave me this one. This was the, it's new old stock. It's a nice little double-sided wafer lock. And when I got this, even with the key turned, I had to actually yank on the shackle for about 5 minutes to get it to pop. So no video of that though. It's not that kind of channel. But, sprayed a bunch of Tri-Flow into the cylinder and into both sides of the shackle here. So hopefully we will be able to pick it and get that satisfying pop sound when the shackle opens. And then I'm going to try to get the cylinder out and show you the cylinder on this, but there's a little retaining pin in these that, considering how jammed up everything has been, I'm not real optimistic that that's going to be moving, but I'll try it. So picking this here using a Secure Pro, and we're already open. So shackle's not popping. And only had to pick one side of that, which indicates that the other side probably stayed stuck from when I pulled the key out, but opens and opens. So let's see if we can get the now here should be a flathead because it's really old. Yep. And I'm doing this here too. My giveaway is still going on for my other channel. I'll put a link up in the corner at the end of the video for the giveaway if you're interested in winning some locks. I'm trying to anyway. There's a few cool ones. Alright, so that screw comes out, just a little brass screw. And then probably not going to be able to see this, but down in that empty hole to our right, there is a little pin that actually holds the cylinder in. And you basically just have to beat on it to get it to come out. It doesn't even need to come all the way, it just has to move over. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if it's going to cooperate or not. No, I'm sure you probably can't see it, but it is damn thing gonna focus down there, but it is actually sliding over. Okay, you can kind of see it there to our left is where it's at. So anyway, it doesn't need to come all the way out, just has to slide over enough to let the cylinder come out. Yeah, I think that might be good. Not quite. It's definitely moved over. It's just not all the way out. That's what we call percussive maintenance here. A little bit more to go. Okay, I think it's actually out. So I still don't think we'll be able to see it. I don't know. Zoom in here. Yeah, you can see it right there, straight down. That's just a brass pin that's now slid out of the way. So now when I take, no idea what I just did with the key, but cylinder, I need to use a key to turn it and pull it out. All right, who saw where I put the keys? Right next to it, dumbass. All right, so there we go. And so now when these are out, I don't think I can take it apart further than this. I've messed with these in the past, and there's like a wire that runs down the middle of it. That's actually the spring. Pull the key out here. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not here when I looking. I'm gonna look right here. I'm gonna try to get this to focus. Okay, so if you look right here, that's where the little spring is, and that wire goes all the way through. It's like some kind of clip. I'm not sure how that comes out or if it's even supposed to come out. I think in the old days they may have just pulled these out and swapped the cylinders to rekey them, is maybe how they did it. I'm not really sure. These things predate my locksmithing career by probably several decades, but anywho, got it open, got it out. So successful Stock Lock Sunday, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and everything, and do check out the giveaway. You know, trying to build my other channel up and also give away some cool locks to somebody. So that'll do it for now, guys, and we'll talk to everybody later.